Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here, and I'm here with Mixed Media Guy.
What's up?
So, Deborah Samuel's leg suggested that we pour over a skeleton, and it's been a while since we did a video together, so we figured, well, let's have fun and do this together.
Oh, yeah.
And we're using some of the colors from my Halloween paint pack, which I'll put the link in the description, but basically white, orange, green, purple, black, and then glow in the dark. Glow green.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get our cups filled up. We're using a 16 by 20 canvas. So for that, we need about 20 ounces of paint. And we'll just get these cups filled up.
Yes. Yes, we will.
So we've got our cups filled up. Do you want to kind of tree ring, and we'll start on each end and meet in the middle?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do that. So I get the feet. Okay, it's not really a tree ring, I guess. Okay, I'm going to back it up a little. Now the goal is not to have an amazingly beautiful skeleton.
No.
I don't think this is going to be a gorgeous skeleton at all, but we'll see. It's from the dollar store, you guys. I think these colors are pretty good. You used a lot more green, huh?
Yeah.
I surprisingly used more purple than you.
Weird.
I know, right?
Jeez.
Okay, let's let it sit here for just a minute. We'll let it kind of drain off of the skeleton because it's kind of draining down up here.
Flowing down the sternum.
Exactly. And then we'll pull him off and we'll go ahead and tilt. All right, I put a piece of parchment paper over here so that I can lift him off and set him on that, and any other runoff, we can have some skins from it.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so I'm going to try to pull up carefully to not disturb the design as much as possible. Oh, fail.
Scalpel.
Well, I tried. I gave it my best.
You did okay. Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Interesting. Little swordfish thing happening.
But it's
there.
kind of fun because you can kind of see like his legs and body there. All right, so, and this should be enough paint.
We shall see.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so there it is. So I vote we look at it in the dark with the black light, yeah?
Okay.
So we can see the glow in the darkness.
Yeah, right. The glow in the darkness, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we use quite a bit of glow green in there.
Yeah, we did. Ooh.
All right, look at that. That's so cool. So this does need to be charged. It's not going to glow too much on its own right now. Like if I turn this light off, it'll glow for a second. It'll actually keep glowing, but you can't really see it in the camera, I have learned. Like here, there we go.
That's so cool though.
Yeah, it does keep glowing. It's just hard to see. And even our skeleton has some fun glow on him.
It's like bioluminescence. It's like watching the red tide.
Yeah, so we might still hang the skeleton on our front door. That could be kind of cool.
Could be.
All right. All right, guys. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are having as much fun with the Halloween crafts as I am, because there's a ton of them coming up. Also, make sure you check out Johnny's channel. He's an amazing musician, of course.
Thank you.
So link for that will be down in the description.
Down below.
And we'll see you all next time.
Peace.
All right, so I almost forgot to do a close-up. So we're going to go ahead and come in here and do this. And I'll show you this and the skeleton. So here's where I accidentally kind of moved it along with his foot. But look at that really cool lacing that we got in there. That's awesome. And my side has way more purple than Johnny's. Yeah, so super cool. Very Halloween-like. I think this could actually make a killer background for like a foggy forest or like a graveyard or something. What do you think?
Perhaps. I was thinking that an embellishment of some sort might be cool on this, and yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah. And then here's the skeleton, which I actually think he's pretty cool.
Yeah. What's really funny is this part that where you did the foot from here kind of looks like a narwhal.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Narwhal.
So, Mr. Skeleton. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time.
Later.